Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you're watching Just Devi Marie. Alright, today I have an exciting video if you're a curvy girl. If you're around mid-size like size 12, or if you're in between like regular size and like plus size, you might want to stick around for this video because today I'll be doing an Old Navy jeans try on haul. So if you want to see that, keep watching. Alright guys, so as I mentioned previously, I'm doing an Old Navy jeans haul. So I got 3 pairs of jeans from them. I actually got a couple of discounts also when I was shopping. So it was the first time I was shopping online from Old Navy. So when I signed up, I got 20% off and the entire site was actually 10% off. So I don't remember exactly what all the prices were, but you can figure it out. I'm also gonna give you all the description and everything for each pair of jeans, color, size, all of that. And then at the end, I'm going to give you some tips when shopping online for jeans as a curvy girl. Alright, so the first pair of jeans, well, let me show you the bag first. So they all came in this bag right here. This is the bag that they came in. And so the first pair of jeans that I got were these, and honestly I really love dark wash jeans. I don't know, something about dark wash jeans that I really love. Like, yeah, I just really love dark wash jeans. So the first pair of jeans that I got, let me get the name for you. I'm looking at it on my phone. Alright, so the first pair of jeans was the mid-rise dark wash super skinny jeans for women. So this is what it looks like. The price that it was listed on at the time was $15, and remember that I said I got 10% off along with another 20% off because it was the first time I was buying online. So these are the jeans, and I'm going to be showing you the try on as we talk. So I really like the color of these jeans. Yeah, and I like that they're super skinny, I think it said. Let me look in the tag. Yeah, the super skinny mid-rise. Now, a lot of curvier women would say that they like high-waisted stuff, and I like high-waisted stuff too, but I also don't mind a mid-rise pair of jeans. So this is what the jeans looks like. It's blue, very dark blue. The material is not very thick, but it's not thin, and it's not very stretchy. And I think that is where I went wrong with these pair of jeans. But anyway, you will see in the clip that I am struggling. Girl, it was a struggle to get on these jeans, but not lie, it was a struggle. I honestly not even know if I can even wear them jeans here. Like, comment down below if you think I can still rock them, or you think they will stretch over time, because I find a lot of jeans do that. They stretch over time. And as I said, these were $15, and it is in a size 12 regular. And it is a dark, it's a dark denim. So this is the first one that I got. Honestly, as I said, I don't know if I'll be able to wear this. They're very uncomfortable. These are actually my least favorite pairs of the jeans. Yeah, I went really wrong with this, but at the end I'll tell you a tip where you can actually order jeans online and actually have them win, like have them actually look good on you. So that was the first pair of jeans. The next pair of jeans is from the bag. They're actually a distressed pair of jeans. I kind of like distressed jeans nowadays. Like before, I was just not really into them. I thought maybe either them too tear up and them look like old homeless clothes, or like, I don't know. I don't know what was my mentality, but I wasn't really feeling distressed jeans before. So this one is called the mid-rise distressed rockstar super skinny jeans for women. It's in the color dark worn. It is a size 12 regular, and the price was $20, but remember I said I got discounts on it. So this jeans wasn't bad. Honestly, it was not bad. It feels like a really thick, good quality jeans. So it's much thicker than the first one, and it actually has rips in the knees, as you guys will probably see in the try on portion. So it's not like overly distressed. There are only rips in the knees, and I don't mind that. I think it looks pretty nice on me. I did have to, you know, shimmy and jump to get into the jeans, but not as bad as the first one. This one, I feel like it will definitely stretch over time, and as I walk in it throughout the day, it will definitely fit more comfortably. And this also was also a mid-rise jean, and I don't mind it. I actually like the color, I like the wash of it. It's not super dark like the first one, but you know, it have a nice dark color still, and it look like a real jeans. It's not like a jeggings material or anything like that. It's like a real jeans. So I really actually like this one. Yeah, this one actually was not bad. Yeah, and I would recommend this one. I would definitely recommend this one. So this was again the Rockstar Super Skinny Mid-Rise Jeans, and it was in a size 12 and it was $20. The next pair of jeans that I'll be showing you, which is probably my favorite out of all of them, and it's this color again. It's another dark jeans. Like guys, I really like dark to medium wash jeans. I do not like light jeans. I find that they're very hard to style, or maybe I just, based on the wardrobe that I currently possess, like they're just hard to style for me. But yeah, this is it. It's the Rockstar Super Skinny High Rise. It has secret slim pockets. That's what it says. Actually, let me give it the exact name on it. So let me look back on my phone for the name. It's the high-waisted Rockstar Super Skinny Jeans for women. It's in the color Deep Indigo. It was size 12 regular and it was $20. But remember, I got the discounts again. This jeans fits so nice. You know, like you want your jeans to, like you don't want your jeans to just slide on like that. You want to still have to shimmy in them because you know that they may fit you and just kind of suck you in. These, nice. Very high, not very high-waisted, but high-waisted enough for me. And they stretch a good bit. They're not as thick as the ones previous to the distressed ones, but it's good quality. They definitely do stretch a lot, and I really like that about it. This one overall fits so comfortable. I like this. It was in regular length. I should have told you guys that I'm actually 5'7", but I honestly prefer my jeans to fit kind of like ankle jeans. I don't like when them kind of bunch up at my ankle. I prefer them just sit regular at my ankle. I don't want them bunch up. So I didn't opt for the long option, because on Old Navy, if you've ever gone on that US site before, you would notice that they have jeans in terms of petite, long, and regular. So I chose all regular jeans. So I didn't choose a tall, even though them say tall is for people, I think they say 5'7" and over should select tall, but I like my jeans to fit right at the ankle and not like bunch up. I don't really like that look there, and I feel like it kind of, I don't know, make me look kind of curvier than usual when the jeans kind of stop right there. So yeah, but this one, guys, honestly, this one is my favorite one. This will probably be a jeans that I wear a whole lot now, but I really like this one. So yeah, that was the jeans. That was this one. This was the third and final one. So overall, guys, I would say the jeans haul was kind of 50-50. The first jeans that I showed you wasn't the most comfortable. I don't even know if I can really wear it. I don't know if over time it will stretch. Comment down below and tell me if you have experienced Old Navy jeans stretching kind of to fit you more comfortably. Let me know. As I said, they were all size 12. I am a US size 12. It just all depends. Alright, so let's get into some tips when shopping online as a curvy girl. So the first tip I have for you is ensure that your jeans are at least 2% spandex or elastane. What this will do is ensure that there's enough stretch for it to go on you and fit you comfortably. The actual first jeans that I tried on, that was a struggle to get into. It only had 1% spandex, and that is where I went wrong, so wrong. So definitely try to ensure that you look at the details of the material of the jeans and ensure that the spandex or elastane is actually 2% or more. My second tip for you is read the reviews. Make sure that the jeans that you're buying have reviews on it already, so you can look at what people say about it, if it stretch, if it don't stretch, if their regular size fit them, if they need to size up, size down. Make sure you read the reviews. It's also best if they have pictures there. If they have pictures there on the site in the reviews, that's even like so much better. So definitely check out the reviews before you purchase, so you can know, whether you're to size up, size down, or stick with your regular size. And the third and final tip that I have for you when shopping online for jeans as a curvy girl is read the size chart. Ensure that for jeans, you know your size of your hips, size of your waist. My waist right now is 33 inches, and I still got a size 12, even though the size 12 on their size chart said 32 inches. But the reason why I did that is because the jeans had stretch, and I know that sometimes when you buy jeans, they tend to stretch out over time. They can tend to get a little bit more comfortable as you move around in them on a daily, so that's what I did. Also, the good thing about Old Navy is they actually have different fits. So if you're petite, that's 5'3" and under, I believe. If you're regular, I guess that's 5'4" to 5'6" or 7. Or if you're 5'7" and over, you would be considered tall. But what I did was I bought regular because I like when my jeans fit right at the ankle and it don't bunch up. So it just fit me right at my ankle. I think it give me a nice silhouette when it fits right there. So I just went with the regular. So even though I'm 5'7", I didn't get the tall, I just got the regular because I like that kind of fit. So just ensure that you match your measurements to the measurements on the size, and also bearing in mind that if it stretches, you might kind of stay with your same size. If it doesn't stretch, you might want to go up 1 size or 2 size. It all depends on what the look you're going for and how you feel based on the measurements there. If you're closer to it, I would say stick with your regular size. But if not, if you look like you're too far off, size up. Or if you realize that the sizes are too big, size down. It's all up to you. Use your discretion. And of course, shopping online over time on a particular size, you will over time get to know what your size is based on the material and the cut and the make and all of that. So I definitely want to thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post a new video. If you guys want to see more from me, comment down below. If you guys are a curvy girl, comment down below. If this video helped you in any way, comment down below and let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.